So here's a quick start guide to getting this plugin working. Once you fire it up, you go to the feeds and then just put in feeds like I've done here. These are the RSS URL and I just named them. And you'll see that I can categorize them into different categories. And you set up the categories on the next page. And so I can just add as many categories as I want, plus you can set a default image for each of these categories. So, once you have the feeds and you have the categories set, it's really simple. You can either put shortcode on your site to list all of the different feeds that you like, but today I'm going to show you the feed to post option, which is like auto-blogging. And here, all we do is just activate the feature once you have the feeds and categories, set it how you like, how often you want it to be fetched, and then a number of different things. You can add social icons and decide on how many feeds you want at any given time. You can have the settings so that the target windows open up in the light box or in the same window, and you can figure out how long you want the number of words. I'm going to put it for 500 words. And then you can also decide on whether you want to show the author or source. Then down here you can decide on how much of the HTML that you want to come into your posts, and you can set the maximum width size of the images if you want. And then also you can decide whether or not you want to process the images normally by just having, if there's an image, just bring it in, or you can bring in like the default image, or you can say if there is no image, just bring it in with the default image. And then finally, you can select how to use the image. For example, you can put the image only in the excerpt, or if your theme supports it, you can make it a feature image only. I'm going to just bring it in as both an excerpt and a feature image. And then down here, I can assign each of my categories to my own blog categories. And then I'll just save it. And then if you want, then you can just click the feeds now and you can see the feeds come in. I'll just show you what it looks like. I've done this before or earlier, and so I'm pulling in feeds here from the Atlantic Monthly, and these are the feeds that came in. And there you go. And then if you click on any one of the feeds, you'll just go to the whole feed by itself. If you want to see how the posts look, just go to one of these posts. Here comes the post, so there's the feed, etc. And you can see that the feature image is down here, so it's ready to use in your theme if you use a feature image. And there's the feature image placed inside the post itself. So that's how you use this option. And of course you can do it also using shortcode and just displaying it on your page, or you can use the widget. Well, we hope you enjoy it.